So it paused on me, so I'm going to try and do this kind of quickly. I did do the random blind box, thing. So I'm going to be, these are the ones I got, so I'm going to be showing these off. So we'll do the GINTAMA one first. That's the back of it. Hopefully my phone doesn't quit. And we got someone I don't know because I don't watch GINTAMA. So it's a clear little acrylic one. Does it come with two? Oh yeah, like his name and then a little tiny. And we got this one. I still don't know what anime this is from. If anyone knows, comment down below. Badge, and we got this guy. He looks happy. And the kanji is all gold. And this one, Otome Yusha. So, well, it's an Otome game. Fancy. Well, the back is really fancy. This is the front. He's kind of cute. That's really nice. I'm going to open it actually and show you out of the package what this one looks like. Keeping this one, oh, it's kind of rubbery. It's kind of rubbery, and then it's got like a hard acrylic inside it, so it's kind of like in a frame. In the back. Does he come out? Oh yeah, you can take him out of it. Oh cool. Oh no, you can't. Yes, you can. No. Yes, you can. So you can totally take him out of this. And then he's just a normal. His name is Matthias. That's funny. That's my husband's nickname that I gave him. That's funny. Not spelled the same way, but it's still funny. Okay. This one, nothing on the back. I don't know. Again, I don't know what the anime is, but they look really cute. I kind of hope I get, like, the cat or the dog or whatever it is. They're all cute. Oh. Oh, it's a stand. It's an acrylic stand. A little stand. Oh, it's like a little... Is that it? Oh, a keychain if you want to put it on the keychain, but I won't. That's cute. It's like a little ice cream. Maybe some cherry ice cream. That's cute. And then you can just put them on the stand. Like that. Takasugi is his name. That's cute. I like that. That's cute. Come on, focus. There we go. And this last one, which is pretty much a mystery. Unless you know how to read kanji, and I don't. And it's like one of those tin badges. Seishiro Numine. I don't know who that is. So, probably won't be keeping that one. And yeah, so that is everything that I got in my bags and boxes today. I think I really like this one. I think this is my first fave. I think this is my second. So these two are my favorites. I don't think I'll be keeping those three. So if anyone wants them, or I'll put them in the blind bags. Or the mystery boxes, I mean. But yeah. So let me know which one's your favorite. And I will see you later.